guys, it's Tyson here today with my guest Colton. He's the cameraman today.
I'm his brother.
We're showing our. I'm not talking today. We're showing all of mine, his, and both of our Nerf guns. Here
and our other weapons
and
too.
Down here, and our other weapons. We have more.
So this is it.
So first we'll show mine.
And Kai's we have 2 crosses. We can't find the other one though.
So okay, so these 2 are mine, and this one, this one, this one, this is both of ours.
We're gonna show you the both of ours.
Both of ours.
Well, we mostly use that one.
Yeah, but
This is both of ours.
no, that's mine.
No.
This is yours.
Yeah, that's mine.
This is both of ours.
Yeah, this one.
This is both of ours. This
Girl one. The blue one's mine.
This is his.
That one's mine.
This is both of ours. This is our dad's, but we.
Yeah. I'm going to show you though.
This is mine.
It's Kai's.
But we had 2, but we can't find the other one.
These are our
And we
walkie-talkies.
have 1 grenade.
One flash grenade with both of ours.
So
And then we have the mags. We have 2 of these mags.
2
We
of
have
these.
2 of those.
2 of these.
And then we have 2 of these.
But we can't find them. So my favorite out of all of these is probably this one. It's a mega. Twin shot.
It's a twin shock.
Twin shot. Twin shot.
Shock, because it has a K at the end.
Yeah. It shoots 2 bullets at once. 10 in all. That's why it's my favorite. Probably my second favorite.
Oh yeah, guys, I don't have that here right now.
It's at my mom's. And so, and my second favorite is probably my third favorite.
Yeah, guys, we have the red one. 14 Nerf guns.
And it also is a twin adult.
Alright, Kai. Tell them how much weapons we have in all.
We have
18.
No, how many Nerf guns we have in all? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 weapons in all. And how many mags?
13. Did you count the weapons?
And the extra
In
weapons.
that one?
In the extra weapons with the mags combined 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Did you count the bomb?
Yes, 24. We have 24 weapons in our collection at my dad's.
Oh, wait until we get to
Yeah, no.
If we mix up moms,
If we mix moms and dads, we'd probably have 30.
we'd have like 30 something.
Okay, so
If you guys live in Colorado, come and have a Nerf gun with us.
we have enough.
We don't have enough
We
for
have
you.
enough for about 30, 32 people.
I gotta say, my favorite,
It can't be yours.
it can, is this one, and it's not a Nerf gun, but it still acts like it.
It's technically a Nerf gun. How you cock it, it looks like you would do it like this. Nope. That's the cock.
It's a single shooter, guys. My favorite from Kai's, I got to say this one. I really like this one.
That is a good gun.
It's a good gun.
It really is.
And my dad's favorite, I have to say this one because we only have one of dad's guns.
Yeah, one of these is my dad.
And the weapon that does not have shoots would have to be this one. This is one of my favorites. Even though it's a lousy sword.
It's a lousy sword. When we were kids, we would use it to play with them because
We used to have 2. I wish we had a camera back then because we had a trampoline.
24, 25.
Winter, that's why my grass.
5 weapons here.
Why?
No, yeah, follow me.
I know we had one over here.
25.
Oh yeah, we have the nunchucks that are mine.
Yeah,
Kai, can I see them?
yeah. He does better when he has both hands. This is
Yeah,
how
point
I
at
go.
me.
This is no. Let me show him with one hand.
Well, I can't do because I got a camera in my hands.